Yun. Good evening, guys. I'm Dr. Sergi Deloso and this is Dr. Christian Deloso.
Okay, Rural Vet.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Rural Vet. So, we just did a wonderful surgery. So, meron siyang, vaginal prolapse. So, and likewise, a rectal prolapse. So, what we did was, we did a colopexy. So, we did a spay first. Remember, yung vaginal prolapse, it's a hormonally responsive, or vaginal hyperplasia, hormonally responsive na sakit yan. Okay, kaya sa lumalaki, it's because of the hormone. So, simple lang gamot doon. You just have to make sure that the dog is spayed. Siyempre, pag wala na yung ovary, there's no more hormone that produces the estrogen. The estrogen is a anabolic hormone responsible for the enlargement of those organs or those parts of the body of the dog. So, aside from spay, after yung spay, we did the colopexy. So, hinila lang namin, lumate naman na. And then, we did the colopexy on the left side of the abdomen to reduce yung prolapse niya. Ayun, then we closed it up. And ayun, slowly magre-recover na siya. So, ayun, thumbs up lang. Galing ng machine ni Doc Christian. Meron siyang, of course, pinaka-importante, aside from having a anesthesia machine, you should have a monitoring equipment. It's very important. Kasi minsan, pag yung surgeon is the only one and then you only have an assistant on board, di ba? So, importante na may audio alarm yung ating procedure. Kasi, syempre, nalalaman natin kung buhay pa yung pasyente natin, di ba? So, again, I'm Dr. Sergi. Okay, thank you, Rural Vet, for inviting me here.
Always.
Bye.
Bye.